Today, we're exploring how EON Reality is transforming education through its AI² Academy and XR technology. This groundbreaking platform is making waves in global education, offering immersive learning experiences that help students learn faster, retain more, and develop future-ready skills, all with AI-powered mentorship.
That's right. The AI² Academy allows students to practice real-world tasks through interactive XR simulations. Whether it's pharmaceutical manufacturing, robotics, or business development, EON Reality offers hands-on training without the physical limitations of traditional education. This AI-powered mentorship ensures personalized learning that helps students succeed in the AI-driven economy.
Exactly. One of the most transformative features of this platform is the speed at which students learn. In fields like EV manufacturing and pharmaceuticals, students can master complex skills 4x faster through Immersive XR training, while also receiving real-time AI feedback on their progress.
And it's not just about learning skills. It's about connecting education to real-world opportunities. The AI² Academy builds a pathway to career success, allowing students to develop marketable skills, obtain certifications, and connect directly to industry leaders for potential jobs and entrepreneurial ventures. EON Reality is making this possible with AI-driven systems that integrate learning with workforce needs.
So, this isn't just a new education platform, it's an entire ecosystem that transforms how we learn, how we develop skills, and how we connect learning to economic opportunities. It's a win-win for students, educators, and businesses worldwide. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.